Hello guys, this is my 2006 Mini Cooper R53. These roof racks belong to an R56, and I know there's a couple of videos that some people have been actually posting saying that you have to go over this thing in here and actually cut it off or shape this metal thing in here, but that's not the way you do it. The way I did, I just cut the rubber a little bit inside here, this rubber, like you can see here in the edges, and then I went ahead and with an old credit card I actually find out a gap in there where you can actually stick it in the same way you do an R56, and that's what I did. I did that in both sides, and it came out pretty solid. Ignore this is just tape, black tape. Actually, this is a pretty cool idea what I did in here too. I put a electrical black tape. It has to be the M3, the good one, and because the thing was actually peeling off and stuff, but you know, this is a good idea. Black M3 tape, electrical. Anyways, in here, as you can see, I just stick it in there. I leave 3 inches from here to here, 3 inches from this very edge to here, 3 inches, and from here to this edge in here I left 8 inches. And you can actually do it the same way you do an R56 with no cutting or no nothing, and there it is. I mean, it's not like you know, it's not made for it, but it works. Again, some people might say it don't work, but I picked up those used on Craigslist for 50 bucks. I actually tried to get them a little cheaper because it was missing the rubber from the top, but it don't matter. I actually, you know, 50 bucks is not that bad. And there it is, guys. Any questions, leave it in the comments and I can give you a little bit more details. Thanks.